Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to stop your microphone from auto adjusting on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. An error message that says that your microphone isn't working. Switch to a different device or try reconnecting this one. Let's fix that issue guys. Go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Click on open. Click other troubleshoot as, and you need to scroll down guys. Click on recording audio troubleshoot. Click on run. You close the troubleshooter guys. This will hopefully resolve your problem guys. If you not get resolved, go to search menu again and type control panel. Open it. And you need to select right side view by two large icons. After that you need to select sound. On here you need to select recording tab. On recording tab you need to go and click on your microphone and click properties, and you need to go to advanced tab over here, and exclusive mode you need to turn it off both of these and apply and OK. After that in sound you need to go to communications, click on it, and in here you need to select do nothing, click on it and apply and OK. After that go again guys, sound, click again, and you need to select recording tab over here, and you have microphone 2 or 3 microphones connected to your computer. You for selecting that you need to click on your microphone and set default. You need to select it. After that you need to click OK. Hopefully that can able to resolve your problem guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.